Hi students, welcome back to my channel 90 degree, and today we'll be learning what is a quadratic equations and what are the methods of solving quadratic equations. Before starting this, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel because I make short videos on important topics which will help you to understand maths in a very easy way. So let's start this. What is an equation? So before understanding what is a quadratic equation, let us understand what is an equation. So an equation is a mathematical statement with at least one variable and an equal to sign. Let us see some examples of these equations over here. So x plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? Yes. See, the x is the variable and there is an equal to sign present in it. Okay. So it is an equation. Okay. 3x square plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? So there is a variable and there is an equal to sign. So it is an equation. Okay. 5x square plus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it an equation? Let us see that. Okay. So this is 5x square. So there is a variable and also there is an equal to sign present over there. Understood? So all these examples are what? They are equations because there is a variable in it and there is also an equal to sign present in it. So all these examples are what? They are equations. Now let us understand what is a quadratic equation. So this is the definition. An equation in one variable whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic equation. So an equation in one variable whose degree is 2 is called a quadratic equation. Degree means what? Highest index of the variable, that is the highest power of the variable. So in this example, this is x raised to 1, right? So the highest index is what? 1. So the degree is what? 1. So in the second equation, highest index is 2. So the degree is what? The highest degree is what? 2. In the third equation, highest index is 2. So the degree is what? 2. Understood? Moving forward. So in these examples, right, there is only one variable and the degree of the variable is what? 2. The highest degree of the variable is what? 2. These are examples of what? Quadratic equations. Now let us see the general form of quadratic equations. Okay. So degree 2, a term with index 2, that is the highest power of the variable. So x square plus a term with index 1, so it should be x, plus then comes that is equal to 0. Coefficient of square terms as, coefficient means what? Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that is ax square. Coefficient of the middle term as b. So this will be b and this c is a constant. So this is the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a, b and c are what? Real numbers. Now what are real numbers? Real numbers are what? They are combination of what? Rational and irrational numbers. 0 is a real number. Yes, 0 is a real number. 0 is a real number, right? Now what they are saying, if a is equal to 0, then let us see what happens now. Suppose if my a is equal to 0, so this equation becomes 0 into x square, which will give me what? Bx plus c. Therefore bx plus c is equal to 0. So the degree becomes 1, which is not a quadratic equation. So there is a condition that my a should not be equal to 0. So an equation in one variable whose degree is 2, that is the highest power of the variable, should be what? 2, is called a quadratic equation. And the standard form of what? This quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are what? Real numbers and my a should not be equal to 0. अंडरस्टूड. तो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस क्या होता है? ऐसा टाइप का इक्वेशन जिसमें एक वेरिएबल रहेगा और उसका जो डिग्री रहेगा वो 2 रहेगा. मतलब वो जो इक्वेशन का जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री रहेगा वेरिएबल का वो 2 रहेगा. ऐसा टाइप का इक्वेशंस को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. और उसका जो जनरल फॉर्म होता है ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, उसमें a, b और c क्या होता है? रियल नंबर्स होता है. रियल नंबर्स क्या होता है? मतलब जिसमें रैशनल और इरैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. और उसमें एक कंडीशन है कि मतलब जो मेरा a रहेगा दैट शुड बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0. नाउ लेट अस सी द मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. द फर्स्ट वन इज फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, द सेकंड इज कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड एंड द थर्ड वन इज व्हाट? फॉर्मूला मेथड. सो इसमें 3 मेथड्स है. फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड है, कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड है एंड फॉर्मूला मेथड है. So in this chapter we would be solving this quadratic equations and we'll be finding out the roots of the given quadratic equations. अंडरस्टूड. तो हम लोग ये चैप्टर में क्या करने वाले, मतलब ये जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस है उसको हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं और उसका जो रूट्स रहेगा वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे बाय यूजिंग द डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. ये जो चैप्टर है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है क्योंकि इसमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है. अगर आपको अलजेब्रा में 40 आउट ऑफ 40 स्कोर करना है तो आपको ये जो चैप्टर है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन and what are the different methods of solving quadratic equations. This chapter is a very important chapter because it has word problems. So if you want to score 40 out of 40 in algebra, you should have lot of practice on this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.